and noise. But so often I see parents going straight into fix with a solution. Do you know, like they see the problem and they see the child is melting down and they go straight in with a fix. This is never, ever, ever going to work, and is going to be completely counterproductive to what it is that you're trying to achieve. Because when your child is having big feelings, first of all, the first thing that you need to understand is that they are scared. Okay? Big feelings are frightening. And I invite you to think back to any moment when you have lost it, or you are feeling out of control, or like your feelings are so big, the room is too small. Like, you know that feeling, okay? And I think sometimes as parents, it's easy to forget that children are just small people that need understanding. So when your child is losing it, the thing they need most from you in that moment is connection and understanding and empathy.